any worse.
All right, what do you want help with?
That sounds good. Just walking sounds good.
Walking, all right. Now, what are you going to do to get ready to walk?
I'm going to just let my head move forward and up a little bit and let my whole body follow.
Well, why aren't you doing it? Yeah. See, there's a little point there that's very subtle. You know you want to do that, and you start talking about it, but you don't do it. After I got home, I tried to think of what I needed to do to help that situation. Because I can stand here and say my neck to relax, my head to go forward, and up with my back to left and widen. Now, what good has that done to me? Not a bit, because I'm down here. And this is the thing I'm going to do. But there's no reason why you can't be doing it on that first word. If I want my head to move a little bit, it moves. And then I turn my head, and then I'd start to walk. But it's very easy for all of us just to say, well, my neck to relax, my head to go forward and up, and my head to go wide. So the first thought that you have is a movement. It starts your movement of what you are going to do. Did you ever think of it that way? No.
That the thought and the movement are very, very close. They're
Yes,
right there together.
and it is a tiny movement. It's a very, very delicate movement. Now, if I ask you to let me move your head, you just let it move up a little bit, and now you tell me what you're going to do to walk.
I'm going to let my whole body follow, and I didn't do that.
Yes, but you did this.
That's right.
That's your whole body. That's not your head moving first. See how tricky this is? It really is. It's too simple, I think. But it's kind of fun to figure out you think you're so smart. So, and I think we better spend some time on this. So here you are. I'm going to, we'll get on with it, and then move. Now, does that do anything for you? All right. Now, who else didn't I help yesterday?
Running my legs too much.
That's it. See? That's good. Because you know it, and when you start to talk to yourself,
Yeah.
it's all you're doing, isn't it?
Yeah, go back.
When you talk to yourself, the activity is in process. All right, how did that go?
As I thought more clearly, my movement got much better.
All right, now you watch yourself in that.
Thank you.
Now, who else didn't I help yesterday? All right, how was your walk this morning?
A little bit floppy,
Why should it be so?
because I wasn't thinking clearly about what I was doing and dropping down with each step.
Why did you? Oh. Why do you have to come here to get that help?
Well, I'm not sure if I have to, but it's great fun, so.
So this is the delicate thing. This is the thing that's really delicate. And as your head is moving, your whole body is beginning to follow. And as it follows, then this part begins to move. Now, how does that seem to you?
that takes a lot of the floppiness out. It makes me real aware that it's the way in which I use this part of me that makes my feet very heavy.
Yes, it does. And then your feet come down to the floor heavily.
Mm-hmm.
So now that you know that, you start doing a little thinking again.
Mm-hmm.
All right? Now take off.